Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to look at the Narwal Freo Pro map settings. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, be sure to shop the link in the video description. So let's just jump right in. We have the device already set up within our account and we've already created our map so we can dive into all the map features that we have. So we're going to select the device. There is our map. It's populated. All the rooms are named. We can see our carpet settings, different floor types right there. That's true. We got a big rug there, and this whole room is carpet. So very detailed map. We'll just start on the right-hand side. There is a little square with some diagonal lines. That's your map icon there. It's above that station icon. We're going to select that. And this takes us to our map setting. So we can have multiple maps, up to 4 maps saved. If you hit that map management button in the top right-hand corner, this is where we can enable multi-level mapping and manage our 4 maps here. So we can remap. We can also select these 3 dots. We can rename or delete a map. And then if we hit that plus icon there, we can create secondary maps. Just follow the prompts there, move your vacuum, and then hit new secondary map. It'll go out and it will map accordingly. And then you can adjust and edit those maps there. But back at this screen, below that, we have our map editing option here. So we're going to select that. This is where we can rotate our map. So you'll notice it rotates around. So get it exactly how you want it. Then down here, we have multiple icons. I believe we have 8 of them we can go over. We can split rooms or merge rooms. So select rooms and do whatever you want. So in case we wanted to split that room, there we go. And then we hit the check mark and it's split. Or if we wanted to merge rooms, right, we can merge these 2 together, hit the check mark, and then it's merged. So that's split and merge there. Then we can rename our rooms, right? So you can name them if you want right there, or customize it, name it yourself. Then we have furniture, so you can add furniture here. This is just for you, for your own aesthetic reasons. I never add furniture, but again, if you wanted to, you could build out your map with furniture, just like it is in your house. Then we have floor material, so we can select a room and you can change the floor material here to get it exactly how it should be. Next is carpet. So on our map here, we have multiple spots with carpet. You can select that area and how do you want it to handle carpet at that particular spot. Power boost, sidestep, cross carpet, or regular cleaning. So basically ignore it and mop and vacuum. So customize or default. There's your default setting that you can change. And you can do that room by room. So make sure after it maps, give it a couple of times, couple of cleans, refine this as needed to get your carpets exactly how you want them. That'll be the biggest thing you have to do is set up your carpets once it's finished mapping. So you make sure that's actually vacuuming those areas, not just avoiding them or mopping on them. Then we have no-go zones. So we can adjust that by area or room if you want to do that. And then we just drag and drop and reposition it. You can do no vacuum in mopping zones, no vacuuming zones, or no mopping zones. So both or either one individually. You can specify drag and drop. You can add multiples of each. And then lastly, we have our edit floor plan icon here. So we can select a room to be edited. And then basically you can expand the room as needed. So if you need to build that out a little bit, boom, look at that. So we can add 5.6 meters that way on that room if we desire. And back on the map editing screen, if we hit that back arrow in the top left-hand corner, we actually have a couple more things to go over in that same map icon. So below map editing, we have our map type, mono, color, or 3D. And then we can choose to display these features at the bottom on or off of the map if you want to clean it up a little bit, tidy it up. You can choose what you want to display or not display. And then lastly, this still relates to the map. So below our map right here, we have a room and zone toggle. So we can add up to 5 zones at one time. They're just drag and drop and we can clean those particular areas. Or you can do a room by room clean here. So pick and choose your rooms and they can clean just those rooms. And on our map, we have this customization option. We can choose for each room individual cleaning settings that are different from the other rooms. So you can build that out right here too. Maybe your back door is really, really dirty from your pets going in and out. You want to have that get a deeper clean than maybe your living room or study room or whatever it may be where there's just not a lot of foot traffic. You can customize this on the map. So it's a very detailed and thorough map that's highly customizable, very easy to set up and customize to your liking.